Hi guys, it's Ray. We are going to do whether they run in right order or not, but we're going to do the last of the TEMU haul for this channel for my sponsored products. So I do have a 30% off code for you if you're a first time user. That is case 588. There are links below to every product, and the codes are listed down below as well. The links to the store. If you're using the app, use the code. If you use the link, it should automatically pull the code, but if not, again, it is case 588. So far, I have been really happy with everything I've opened, everything I've tested. So we do have one product to test in this haul, and this is another 4-piece haul. Nothing terribly exciting. This is my first article of clothing from TEMU, and I hope I like it because I do have a couple more t-shirts coming for summer, but this is just a plain green v-neck t-shirt. I don't know what color this is coming across. It looks brown on camera to me, but it's a very olive green t-shirt. I'm just going to put it right on over this long sleeve t-shirt. I'm not really into clothing try-ons and stuff. So, I did order a 2X. Their sizing is a little bit different than, typical American sizing. So, look at what the listings say. But yeah, this is actually a perfect summer t-shirt for me. So, I'm sitting down, but I can tell you it's not like long and flowy. I'm not going to wear it over like leggings or anything, but with shorts for summer, it will be perfect. So, just going to leave it on for now. Let me back up. I did notice that the clothing comes and goes super duper fast. I had actually asked for 2 t-shirts, and the second one was already sold out by the time they processed the order, so this is the only one I got. Hopefully the other ones that I ordered myself will show up, because I just like a v-neck in the summertime. I'm not really, when I'm under a hoodie, I don't mind a, higher shirt, but it's just not my style. So the t-shirt was $5.79. I mean, I'll take it. And it's a nice material. It's not like really polyester feeling. This shirt is like 100% polyester. It's definitely some kind of a blend, but I would say more on the cotton side. So that's the t-shirt. This is a 5-piece microfiber cloth set for $6.19. I figured if they are truly lint-free, some of them would be good for the cars. I'll keep a couple in the house for wiping down tumblers or whatever. But let's see what the quality is on these. Oh, these are nice and soft. So as long as they're a pretty lint-free microfiber cloth, they're good for so many things. So, dusting rags, whatever. And these are nice and thick. They're not chintzy by any means. So I'm actually super impressed with those for, what did I say? $6.19 for 5 of them. And they all do have a little hanging corner tab for if you wanted to hang them up. So I'm pretty impressed with those. They're very nice. The only thing I got in the junk journaling type realm, and this says literally on it, so I'm assuming this is literature based, but this is a 200-piece set of washi stickers that was $3.98. If you're at all into junk journaling or scrapbooking or anything, paper crafts, even if you're just a sticker person, absolutely check out TEMU, because There are so many stickers. I don't think I put in an order that didn't have some type of sticker in it yet. Whether it just be stickers to throw in my packaging, stickers to make up my kits. I haven't really bought any to use on tumblers yet, but I probably will at some point. But I have been buying tattoos for tumblers, so. But you can't buy a 200-piece set of journaling ephemera for $3.98. I have sets that are similar from Amazon that were way, 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 way more money. So I'm just going to take a peek at some of this. We're not going to go through all 200 pieces. I've quite frankly looked at enough of this stuff this week, putting together my journaling kits. And I don't think this is strictly a washi sticker set. I'm pretty sure there's papers and other things at the bottom of this paper. I just wrote washi on my list. Yep, there's definitely decorative papers down here. Some of them are in here backwards. So, but I always like these little squares of paper. So, there's a bunch of paper in that size. Well, that's several sizes. And there's some more here in smaller sizes. And then, oh my goodness. Yeah, we're not going to go through all of these. Some of this is also paper. Okay, so it is paper ephemera pieces as well as stickers, which is great to have a mixed variety. So there are small ephemera bits in here in paper. Like this is a paper cigar box top. And I did just drop something. But then there's all kinds of washi stickers. These are all like kind of vintage vibes. Sweet little girl. I believe there's 2 of everything in this set. So, yeah. And I think this was one of those, there were like 4 or 5 sets to pick from. A lot of them are like that, and sometimes I just go down and put one of each in the cart, especially when they're like color themed sets. But very nice assortment. That's what the box looks like on this one. So there's that. And then the last thing in this batch that I am hoping I can demonstrate is a blue box. It's actually an LED light pad. It is very thin and very lightweight. It has a USB plug, because everything has a USB plug right now. And I'm going to try this out for weeding. I don't have... Let me grab a... Well, I'll finish opening it and then we'll grab a connector. And we'll see if this works. I do have an image cut right behind me. A fairly intricate image cut on white, because sometimes that is the hardest. I mean, can you actually see any of the cut lines? I can't. So, I've bought light pads for other people, but I've never had one for myself. So, peel the protective sheet off. And this was, let's see if I can find it on my list, $13.48. So, alright, so that's plugged in on that end. I'm going to go grab a cube. Okay, I've got my cube. Got it plugged in. And this actually does have a decent cord. It's probably a 6-foot cord, so that's nice. So it's plugged in. It does have a blue light on it when it's on. And I do believe it's just got like one, oh, nope. It's got 3 settings to walk through apparently. So that's nice. So what I'm going to do is move some of this and I'm going to bring you down. So hopefully you can see, and I can see. And I'm going to use the pin pen that I got in a haul on my other channel. And this may mess up anyways, because sometimes I have a hard time with this decal. But you might not be able to see the weeding lines, but I certainly can. So this is just such a difficult image to weed in the first place. I'm actually rubbing it down to start. And I wish I knew where my little skinny scraper was, because sometimes that helps me with small images like this. I do have some excess vinyl at the bottom I'm going to trim off. Okay, I think I might have lost a piece of shell there. So it says, and into the ocean I go to lose my mind and find my soul. And I have a tumbler ready for this right now, but I also want to see how this works for if you wanted to copy something. So I'm going to grab a little skinny piece of paper. And I'll just take the directions, because why not? So if you wanted to trace over an image, like I have the sublimation markers, if I wanted to turn this into something to sublimate, I could sit here and copy over this with my markers and hand draw it. Obviously, if you were doing something for sublimation, you would want to put your original upside down. That way you were actually copying it backwards. So, and this was kind of nice because left-handed, right-handed, whatever. I'm right-handed, but you can put it this way or the other way to keep your power button out of the way. You know, if you're sitting here holding your paper down, you're not going to want to accidentally hit your button and turn it on and off constantly. So, yeah, for, what did I tell you, $13? Like that.
pad, light pad, light pad.
$13.48. I will take it. More than satisfied with this product. So that is everything for this haul. And that was very bright. I'm sorry. But there we go. Finished product. I'm going to actually get this on a tumbler in a few minutes here and finish that cup up. So that is it. Thank you for watching this haul. My first article of clothing that I'm happy with. My light pad, microfiber cloths, and the washi stickers. So I'm more than happy with this. That's it. Bye.